I'm Butani from Private Lender Lic. I'm here with Cesar and Casey from Rubicon Mortgage Fund. So if you guys could just tell us a little bit about Rubicon Mortgage Fund and your private lending programs.
Sure, happy to do so. So we are a direct private lender out of Lafayette. We focus mainly in the Bay Area. About 80% of our loans are in the Bay Area, and the rest is pretty much spread out throughout California. We have a strong appetite for industrial, heavy industrial, light industrial, you name it. Gas stations, multifamily, shopping centers. Am I missing anything?
Marinas, mobile home parks, kind of you name it on the commercial side.
We are quite conservative. We lend up to 60 to 65% on an LTC standpoint of view and also a LTV standpoint of view. Because of being conservative, we also offer very aggressive terms such as interest rates and fees. So we're quite competitive. There isn't a deal that doesn't come across our desk that we will lose to pricing. So keep that in mind.
Great. And how about residential investment properties? Do you consider those as well?
Absolutely. We've done many bridge loans.
Yeah, we do residential bridge loans, non-owner-occupied residential. Never use an appraisal. Seldom do we use environmental reports. So kind of a very streamlined process, and we can close pretty quickly.
And do you do those primary residence bridge loans where someone's swinging equity from one house to another?
Yes, that's what kept us busy most of our last year. Yes, yeah. That was very popular, especially people moving from San Francisco over to La Miranda area, over to Walnut Creek area. So that's something that we are quite experts in.
Okay, and how about the loan amounts? What's your minimum and maximum loan amount?
So we'll lend as low as probably about $200,000 up to somewhere around $12 million.
Okay, and but what's your average deal size? Is it in the range of $2 to $5 million? Or
our sweet spot would be around $3 million. We like those deals. Those make more sense to us. But like Casey said, we could go up to $12, $15 million. Not a problem.
Okay. And have you done a bunch of those deals in that high end of the spectrum of $10 million to $12 million?
We did a handful. Yes, we did the Hanford Mall. That was that made the news. It was all over the place. And we recently closed a $10.5 million transaction. Casey closed a $7.5 million transaction. So it's something we will take on.
Excellent. That's great. And that's kind of rare because in private lending, there's some lenders that just max out at $5 million or even $2 million. So,
right.
So that's pretty unique. So yeah. So anyways, thanks for joining us. Thanks for coming to CMA. Rubicon Mortgage Fund. If anyone has any deals that need funding or just need to look, reach out to Cesar and Casey. And
great.
Hopefully you can do business for them.
Sounds good.
All right.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
That's great. Appreciate it.